In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini Live on the desktop web version. This is a straightforward process, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be well equipped to interact with Gemini effectively. First, let's begin by opening Google Gemini. Simply launch your preferred web browser and head over to the Gemini homepage. Once there, log into your account using your credentials. If you're new to Gemini, you'll want to set up an account, but for returning users, just enter your email and password, then hit enter to access the platform. If you encounter any issues logging in, ensure your password is correct and your internet connection is stable. Once you're logged in, you'll want to start a chat. Look around for the chat feature, which is usually prominently displayed on the homepage or located in the sidebar. Clicking this will open up a chat window where you can start interacting. This chat functionality is central to using Gemini Live, as it allows you to ask questions and receive responses in real time. Now that your chat is ready, it's time to ask your question or type your prompt. Whether you're looking for specific information, need help with a problem, or just want to explore various topics, you can type it into the chat window. Be as clear and specific as possible to get the most accurate and helpful response. If you are unsure about how to phrase your question, take a moment to think or do a quick search to refine it. The clearer your query, the more precise the response you'll receive. Next, you'll notice an option to click on the model name in the chat window. This step is crucial because it allows you to select the type of model you want to interact with. Clicking on the model name will give you a drop-down menu or a selection list. Here, you can choose the type of model that best suits your needs, whether it's for casual conversations, technical discussions, or exploring creative ideas. Each model is designed with unique capabilities, so take a moment to consider which one aligns with your purpose. And there you have it. You're now ready to use Gemini Live on the desktop web version. This comprehensive yet straightforward guide ensures you can seamlessly navigate and utilize the platform's capabilities. Always remember that practice makes perfect, and the more you interact with Gemini, the more intuitive the process will become. Feel free to revisit this tutorial if you ever need a refresher, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your experience. Happy chatting!